So I have finally received my SmallRig cold shoe relocator thingy, and yeah, finally. So I'm going to attach this to the A6600 I have, but first I gotta get rid of all this stuff on my desk. It's a mess, sorry. So this is way better. So let's start with it. I'm going to open up this package. Ooh. Plastic bags can be dangerous. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. They don't say anything about dogs. Yeah, okay. VIP services, nope, not needed. Let's see. Okay. I think this goes on the front, but I do need to get rid of these things. I need something for this. Let's get rid of the rubber parts first. So now I need to get rid of this. Let's see. It's just like your keychain, but yeah. I don't have any nails, so that could be a problem. Your camera might be broken before it's getting rid of these things. I will get something for him. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's see what I can do. Don't try this at home like me. Oh my god. How the f am I supposed to do this? I have no idea. I hate this system. Why did I get it in the first place? It sucks. It sucks, Sony. Just get rid of these things. Ah, sorry for the cursing. I curse a lot. If you don't like that, please double tap the dislike button. If you double tap it, it will make more of an impact. So only if you dislike the swearing. Oh my god. Yes. It's the first one. Oh my god. I should have done this weeks ago. This thing sucks. Okay, part one. Now I gotta screw up my nails for the other one. I don't have any nails, by the way, but I do have to screw them up. Let's see. What's the easiest way for me to do this? This video will be 20 minutes long. It will be a video about me installing this thing. Yes, I got rid of it. Okay, so right now we'll put it here, and yeah, okay. So I will. Okay, we'll first do this one. Just let me get the parts out of the plastic bag first. Okay. From which side do I screw them in? Do I screw them in from this side or from the other side? I have no idea. It doesn't say it on the description. It doesn't say anything. I guess it will be from this side. I have no idea. This might be easier. Is my guess. What is block D? Oh my god. Oh my god, let's try it. Okay, I almost got it. I'm happy that it needs to be. Yes. Okay, now the other one. My god, how do you get it in here? Like, what? Is this made for Chinese people? I don't have small hands. I don't have small hands. Oh my god. How do I get it in? That's what she said. No, actually, it's what he said, but okay. I've seen this online and it looked way easier with other people. God, my back hurts after this. Okay, so I finally got it connected. Okay. It's a bit in a way I use this one a lot. It's not blocking it any. Yeah, so let's get a microphone. I just connected the microphone, the Rode Video Micro, to my camera, to the A6600. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It's a little bit big. Yeah, the next thing I need to do for this camera is I need a wider lens. I think I need the 10 to 18 millimeters in order to have it as a vlogging camera. I will be using the 17 to 28, which I'm using right now from Tamron, but I think it's not wide enough. So yeah, I wish it was a little bit wider, so that might be the next step. So yeah, this is my video of installing the SmallRig cold shoe relocator thing. I don't know, I still don't know the name of it. There are 3 versions of it, but yeah, that's the video for now, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.